problem on correlation. Next problem. So obtain the correlation of the following sequence. Obtain the correlation of following sequence. So x1 of n is 2, 3, 4. x2n is 1, 2, 3. Using definition of cross correlation. Using of cross correlation. So here first is we have to find R12k. So R12 of k summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x1 of n, x2 of n minus k. Now x1n is from 0 to 2. Right here, since x1 of n is from so range will be from 0 to 2. So R12 of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to 2 x1 of n, x2 of n minus k. So starting from, we write here, starting from k is equal to minus 2, we get non-zero values. We get non-zero values. So R12 of minus 2 summation n goes from 0 to 2 x1 of n, x2 of n plus 2. So here x1 of 0 and x1 of 0 plus 2 is 2 plus x1 of 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3, x2 of 3 plus x1 of 2 into 2 is 4. Now what is the value of x1 of 0? Value is 2. x1 of 2 is, this is x1 0, x1 1 and x1 2. Okay, sorry, it is x2 of 2. So this is 0, 1, 2. This one is also 0, 1, 2. So x1 of 0 is 2, x2 of 2 is so it is x1 of 0 is 2, x2 of 2 is 3 into 3, x1 of 1 is 3, x2 of 3 is 0, x1 of 2 is 4 into 0. So this value is 6. Next we have to find this Next we have to find r1 to a minus 1. Summation n is equal to 0 to 2 x1 of n x2 of n plus 1. So x1 of 0 into x2 of 0 plus 1 is 1. x1 of 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So x1 of 0 is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 0. So it is 4 plus 9, 13. Now next is r12 of 0 summation n is equal to 0 to 2 x1 of n x2 of n. So x2 of n. So it becomes x1 of 0 into x2 of 0 plus x1 of 1 into x2 of 1 plus x2 of 2 into x2 of 2. So here both values of 0 0, it is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. So it becomes 2 plus 6 plus 12. It is 20. Similarly, we can find the values of, similarly here I directly write the answer now. Similarly, r12 of 1. So here we have to consider the value of 1. Here we have to find the r12 of 1. It is value of k is 1. So we get 11 and r12 of 2 is 4. Now the range of k will be till 2. Range of k will be till 2 for k is equal to 3. Again we get 0 value. So we write all these values here. It is 6, 13, 20, 11 and 4. So at 20 it is 0. Now the plot for r12k. This is k. It is r12 of k. This is 0. This is 20. Here it's 11. It is 13. This one is 4. And this one is 6. So this figure shows plot of r12 of k. This problem was also asked in the exam. Now the next problem is determine the cross correlation between two sequences. So x1 of n 1 2 3 4 and x2 of n is 3 2 1 0. So cross correlation is convolution of x1 of n and folded version of x2 of n. So R12 of k is equal to x1 of n conversion x2 of minus n. So x2 of minus n is 0 1 2 3. So using tabular method to find convolution, we are using tabular method to find convolution. So we are using here tabular method. It's 0 1 2 3, that is 1 2 3 4. So here 0 into 1 0, it is 1. These values are 0 to 2 3 4. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2 4 6 8, and here 3 2 6 9, 3 into 4 12. So we are using here tabular method, and we can write the answer R12 of k. Therefore it is equal to 0 1 4 10 16 17 and 12. Now next problem was asked in exam. Next problem. Determine the cross correlation between two sequences shown below. Using basic cross correlation equation. So the given is x1 of n is equal to 1 2 3 4, and x2 of n is 0 1 2 3. So R12 of k, it is summation n goes from minus infinity to infinity. X1 of n equal x2 of n minus k. Now, sorry, not equal to, it is equal to. So range of n will be n is equal to 0 to 3, like range of x1 of n. Okay, so range of x2 of minus n is from minus 3 to 0. We write here range of x2 of minus n is from minus 3 to 0. So adding the range of is adding range of x1 of n and x2 of n. The k range in is from -3 to +3. So we calculate the values. R12 of k is summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x1 of n x2 of n minus k. So R12 of -3 summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x1 of n x2 of n plus 3. So we find the values here. x1 of 0 x2 of 3 plus x1 of 1 into x2 of 4 x1 of 2 into x2 of 2 plus 3 5 plus x1 of 3 into 3 plus 3 is 6 x2 of 6. So what is the value of x1 of 0? It is 0 1 2 3. This is 0 1 2 3. It is 0 into 3 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 3 not 1 into 3. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. So the value is 3. Next we have to find R12 of -2. So here summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x1 of n x2 of n plus 2. Now x1 of 0 x2 of 2 plus x1 of 1 x2 of 3 plus x1 of 2 x2 of 4 x1 of 3 x2 of 5. So here 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0. So it is 2 plus 6 plus 0 plus 0. This value is 8. Similarly, we have to find further values. Here I directly write all the answers now. So similarly, R12 of -1 is 14, R12 of 0 is 20. R1 2 of 1 is 11. Here I directly write the answer. R1 2 of 2 is 4. You have to solve this and then find the answer. R1 2 of 3 is 0. And at the last, here I write all the values sequentially. So therefore R1 2 of K is 388 3 not 8 minus 1 2 3 3 8 not 8 14. This center value is 0. It is 20. It is 14 8 and 3. This is for R1 2 of 0. 11 4 and 0. So in this way we can solve this problem. This type of problem was asked for 6 marks or 8 marks in exam. Now next problem. Compute cross correlation between two sequences. So x1 n is 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 and x2 of n is 1 2 3 4. Now using analytical or graphical method only, right here, use analytical or graphical method. So here I write R12 of k. Here I write the equation. N goes from minus infinity to infinity. Standard equation x2 of n minus k. So x1 of n is 1 1 minus 2 minus 1, and x2 of n is how much? 1 2 3 and 4. x2 of minus n is it is reverse, 4 3 2 and 1. So range of n is from minus 2 to 1, and range of k is from minus 4 to 2. So here I calculate the values. R12 of minus 4 is summation n is equal to minus 2 to 1. x1 of n, so x1 of minus 2, x2 of 2 plus x1 of minus 1, x2 of 3. It is x1 of 0, x2 of 4 plus x1 of 1. Now here I replace the values. So it is 1 into 4, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Its value is 4. Next I directly write the answer. It is 7. Similarly, R12 of minus 2. Here we find out all the values. R12 of 0, it is minus 6. R12 of 1 is minus 4, and R12 of 2 is 1. So here I write all the values, combinedly write all values. So R12 of k, it is, for 0 it is minus 6. Okay, before that it is minus 3, it is 7, and it is 4, and after that it is minus 4 and minus 1. This value shows R12 of 0.